This video highlights the complexities of positioning fixed gas detectors. But also see our videos on fixed gas detector outputs and fixed gas detectors and hazardous zones. There are many things to consider when positioning gas detectors. The mounting height should be considered, as the molecular weight of the gas being detected can determine where it is likely to gather. Gases that are lighter than air may rise and collect in higher areas like headspaces. Heavier gases may collect in lower areas but pose the same hazard. Placement of gas detectors in relation to ventilation, heating systems, and in particular sources of gas are all important factors. Gas detection is sometimes viewed as an unnecessary expense, and many organizations have gas detection that barely meet minimal legal requirements. We recommend caution with this approach, as the protection of workers from harm lies with the employer. Serious incidents in the workplace are likely to be investigated by the health and safety executive. Failure to protect employees from gas inhalation because of insufficient gas detection is likely to be viewed as negligence, so can result in prosecution. For advice on the positioning of gas detectors, give Rockall Safety a call. Let us help you navigate the complexities of gas detector location and help find the most cost-effective solution. For more information, call us, subscribe, or go to rockallsafety.co.uk.